Fun fact for you, Scooby Doo's name was inspired by Frank Sinatra's song, Strangers in the Night. Dooby Dooby Doo. Hi, I'm Gideon from Gideon Creations, and I'm going to show you how to make Scooby Dooby Doo. Get your pencils and paper and let's get drawing. Today we're going to make Scoob. Let's make some ears. Do his nose. Now we're gonna do something like a funny smile. Eyes. Do his eyebrows. We're gonna do his belly. Now we're going to do his tail. Now we're going to do like a big circle, some small circles. Now we're going to do some feet. Oh yeah, now we're gonna do his saying or something. Color. Now we're gonna do the S and the D on it. And I'm gonna do some like little freckles. I'm gonna do this. Now I'm gonna color it in. We're gonna take a black and do those lines again. We'll take lightest blue like this. Or some more stuff. Good job, guys. How did your Scooby Doo turn out? You should show me on Facebook so you can be featured in a featured episode. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and trying along. Bye-bye. God bless. Adopt me. Hi, I'm Gideon from Gideon Creations. Sorry, can I drink a little? Okra. Is okra in this? I hope not. By Frank Sinatra's song. I just want to say that. Dooby Dooby Doo. I'm done. How did your turn, Scooby Doo? This is find me on Facebook. I can drink hot chocolate. I can drink okra. No! Sorry. Scooby Dooby Doo, where are you? I got some work for you now. That's what it really says. Relax not, relax not. Scoob. Ruh-roh. I was baby Scooby or something. Came out my nose. Scooby Doo, Scooby Dooby Doo. That's not how it goes. That's true. That's how it goes. You're clear on me. Go, go, next.